Welcome to another video. So it's ano ba yun? Thursday, 2 o'clock in the afternoon. It's holiday actually, August 21 ata. So for today's video, balik tayo dito kay Pajero dahil naglalambing na naman. Mga kotse natin kulang sa pansin. So I've been using this car almost every day, no problem. Sa work, very reliable, especially now that it's quite raining. Very fun to use, but the problem is, first start, my radio gave out. Bago yan, Nakamichi of course, budget meal lang. Pero the last time that I used her, pag open ko, pagdating ko ng office, ayaw na mag-on nung radyo, no? Ayan, no? Power. For some reason, bumigay siya. Actually, dati, yung kinabit namin ni Charlie yan, si Charlie pa yung nagkabit niyan, so it was 3 months ago. Umusok din bigla. So parang may ginump lang niya yung fuse doon, as far as I can remember. Kasi something umusok, so may ginump siyang fuse. And chinek ko, may naka-jump nga. So baka mamaya it has something to do with it. And next on the list, this one is the antenna. Hindi maandar. Dati nang ganyan yan. So subukan natin ipagawa. And the key of the Lexus is here kasi low bat na to. Sinasabi naman ng kotse that the battery is low. So I'm hoping we will go to GRGA, of course, the electrical shop in Maginhawa. Let's visit them. Hopefully magawa nila lahat ng gusto kong pagawa. Since it's a holiday, I'm not sure if they're open. I didn't ask. Hindi rin ako nagsabi. So again, this is an ambush interview, punta. So I'm not sure what will happen for today. So wala tayo radyo and the busina. Supot. Medyo sumusupot yung busina natin. Pa-check ko na rin kung bukas sila. Sana walang tao, sana open. I hope may mangyari sa araw na to. Holiday drive for you. Also, pag holiday, it's very fun to drive here in Manila. As you can see, no roads, no cars on the road. So maluwag, sayong-sayo yung kalsada. For those new to my channel, hope you stick around. I'm your host, Karoy Cruz, and basically my channel is all about my cars. I do own a couple of 80s Benz na hindi nagkulang sa pansin, laging nagpapalambing. I also have a couple of 90s car na Mitsubishi like this one, the Pajero Gas, na lagi rin nagpapapansin, no? So basically what I do in this channel is I show you what I do, or I share to you what I do with my cars. And basically it's the maintenance, and I drive them to work, I drive them to do my errands, or sometimes kung may trip, I do trip videos. And of course, since this is a car channel, sometimes I do feature some friends' car, or I go to some shops and tour you around. So yan lang naman, basic na basic, simple na simple, no add-ons, no? It's a car life. So basically car life lang ang pinapakita ko sa inyo. So thank you for subscribing. We are almost 4,000 strong. And again, the target for this year, mababa lang, 5,000. Sana maka 5,000 tayo. Para anything after doon kasi medyo mabilis na yan, papuntang 10,000. So I'm hoping this year maka 5,000 man lang tayo, and I think we will be able to make it as long as I am consistent in uploading videos, no? Kaya here I am trying to make videos for you, trying to make contents for you, trying to think of what good videos that you want to see. So thankfully, ito mga kotseng to laging may sira, so may nagagawa tayong kotse. Ganda ng ano, is that the new H na electric hammer? I don't know, may dumaan lang. Abulin natin mamaya. So, again, GRGA, for you Pajero owners, mga bago dito sa channel natin, if you do own a Pajero, GRGA is an electrical shop specializing in Pajero. Pero they also do other car models or car makers, other brands. Wag lang daw European. Parang allergic sila sa European, no? So, that's the reason why I met them, is because I do have a Pajero, and nasa stock ko sila sa Facebook, bro. So I'm hoping really na magawa yung radyo, because I really don't want to use the car without a radio. Ever since nasira yung radyo nito, hindi ko na ginamit. No, ganun ako kaarte sa radyo. Talaga kasi I do take 20 kilometers one way, then another 20 going back. I do spend a lot of time inside my car at the radio keeps me sane. Kung walang radyo, sobrang boring. So, found an opportunity today to make a video and to have this fixed. Sana bukas sila. Yun lang naman. Walang traffic, of course. It's Saturday. It's a holiday. Thursday holiday. We are here in Libisi 5 on our way to UP. Happy holiday! So, sa mga bago also, pag hindi nyo pa nasusubaybayan the series that I've made with this car, this is a 1998 Mitsubishi Pajero Montero with the V6 powertrain, 4G62, 3-liter V6, which has about 150 to 170 horsepower. Yun, ang alam ko. And of course, it's a 4x4 and automatic transmission. That's why I'm able to use her sa work. A sluggish 4-speed transmission. So yung transmission ng Pajero, medyo sluggish, no? Pero I got this car March ata of this year at ang dami na nating napagawa, no? This car, wala sa plano, dumating na lang sa buhay ko bigla. And first thing is the transmission. Napagawa na natin yan. Thank you again, Matic Transmission, Boss Gerald, the owner of Matic Transmission. Because the problem of that car, of this transmission before, during cold start, when you put her in reverse, nothing happens. So even though when you step on the gas pedal, the car won't move or the transmission won't engage. So it has a sleeping reverse. That was the problem. And second, it was leaking severely underneath. So we asked the help of Matic Transmission, home service, went to our house and fixed the entire transmission, rebuilt. So binaba. So ngayon, okay na, walang problema. Next na major na pinagawa natin dito sa Pajero na to is the aircon. Ang Pajero kilala rin sa mahina ang aircon or mahirap ayusin ang aircon system ng Pajero for some reason. The design is different way back in the 90s. Remember guys, this is a 90s car, this is a 90s SUV. Wala pang mga Fortuner noon, wala pang mga Montero noon. This was the option for you. Kalaban nito would be the Isuzu Trooper, the Nissan Patrol, the Land Cruiser. Hindi naman kalaban, pero kasabayan. The Land Cruiser, the Terranos, so ano ba? Yun, mga ganong auto, no? So anyway, yan. Full aircon rebuild, palit ng evaporator, dalawa, back and front. And then the compressor also, nagpalit na tayo ng compressor. And entire cleaning system, ginawa na natin. Thank you, Kirsten Autoworks. That's also the reason why I'm able to use her every day already kasi malamig na yung aircon. Yeah, dati mahinang mahina. Halos wala ng lamig. So nakakabwisit. Yung tri-gauge, napalitan na natin. That was the last video that I made this car. Diyan kay GRGA, thank you Boss Ronald. Nireplace niya. Then pinalit natin yung luma natin. Now we have a working tri-gauge. And the louvers, pinalitan na natin yan. Marami na tayong nagawa dito sa Pajero na to. At marami na tayong nagasto sa Pajero na to. About 100,000 pesos na all in all, no? So the next would be the brake. Again, I'm complaining always about the brake. Hindi ganun kaswabe kasi. Hindi ganun kalakas pag tinatapakan mo. Ang nagawa na raw ng previous owner dito, naparepair niya na yung brake calipers before, napalitan na yung hydrovac. So I don't know, iwan na lang natin kay Kirsten when I'm ready. Kasi may mga gastos pa tayong iba, no? So, yan. That's the build series for this Pajero. I plan to use it on a trip. Pagka okay na si Mrs. Kasi kakapanganak pa lang at di makalabas ng bahay. And look at the best thing about this car for me is the interior. We have the chocolate interior, brown interior, which is very rare. And the engine, the powertrain of course, V6. If you know me, I prefer gasoline engines rather than the diesel ones. Kasi maingay yung diesel, mausok. Very shaky. Yun. The gas kasi very smooth. So, tsaka yung power decent enough. And the seats, the cloth, yan ang gustong-gusto ko sa Pajero. And of course, the drive experience. Hindi siya boring. It's a very fun car to drive. The steering is very, very light. Pagka yan, traffic, tapos gusto mo sumingit-singit, walang problema, napakadaling sumingit sa kotseng to. Plus, you have the 4x4 if you need. No? Full options. And uso ulit ng mga Pajero nowadays, umuuso, they're coming back. As you can see, you still see them on the road. Parts are available, accessories, napakadaming accessories. Parts are reasonable sa presyo. Like yung compressor, bagong bili ko, Denso, 12,000 lang. Nagulat nga ako, mura, no? So, yun, this is the Pajero for you. A quick update. I'm really hoping maayos natin yung radyo kasi nakakabisit. Yung antena. Hindi umaandar. Alright, see you later. So, I don't like electric cars. Pero, if kukuha ako ng electric car, ito ang maganda. Ioniq 5. And this is the N Sport package. Kasi may N. Ganda oh. Ito mo naman yung likod na yun. Yung taillights, oh, parang DeLorean, very sporty, may spoiler na malaki, may diffuser, ang laki na mugs. Ano kaya size ng mugs yan? And you can see the N badge all over with the red accents, telling us that it's something sporty, no? Ioniq 5. Pati yung harap, ang ganda, at mukhang ODRS, no? Ganda, oh. So, gandang-ganda lang ako dito sa Ioniq, pero mahal ata yan. Nasa, if I'm not mistaken, it's in the 4 million range. No? But it's a beautiful car. Kaya nga lang electric. So, I haven't driven an electric car. Pero again, if I will get one, yan, an option for me. Ito, tinan natin if makita natin yung harap. Mabilis yan eh, matulin kasi. All-wheel drive nga ata yan eh. Ito. Yan. Woohoo! Yun oh. Putang ina ng mukha. Ayan, tapang ng mukha. Ito may headlights. Squarish. Ito. Napakagandang kotse. These Koreans, they know what they're doing also. Gwapong gwapo. Alright, we are near UP. So, madaling drive lang. Sana bukas sa GLGA para hindi masayang ang oras natin. 126. What a trip. Ang ganda ng 126 niya. S-Class of the 80s, 70s. Boom! Woo! Thank you, Lord. It's not every day that you see a 126 running on the road. So, what a trip. Napaganda talaga ng presence. Actually, I do have one na manual. Nakatago somewhere in a vacant lot. Tinatago ko dahil it's not running. Hindi ko pa nabibigyan ng oras dahil gastos yon. At wala pa tayong stable na mechanic. No? Natatakot ako galawin kasi once ginalaw ko, dire-diretso yon, I will devote my entire life again to build that car. It's totally not running. I haven't heard that run. So, magto 2 years na ata sa akin. Manual with the M110 inline 6. Beautiful car. S-Class nga of the 80s or late 70s. So yun, we are here in Maginhawa. Ang bising Maginhawa. Tingnan mo naman, AutoWorks to, mga 4x4 ata to kasi ARB, no? Kung ano-ano na ang mga meron dito. Look at that building, no? Napaka-wild na dito sa Maginhawa. So for the meantime, park muna tayo dito. We are here and they are open. Pero si Boss Ronald may ginagawa. So we have to wait. Waiting game, no? Siyempre, first come, first serve. So, antay muna tayo. Here's the shop again. Welcome back to GRGA. May dalawang Pajero na ginagawa. Ito malupit oh. Japan version. Pinapa-convert yung wiring from Japan to local. Kahapon pa ginagawa. So, ginagawa nilang local para mas maganda yung wiring sa loob. Well, so, part talaga ng proseso, nag-aantay. Hindi naman tayo maaga pumunta. So, it's part of the car process. We are waiting for our turn. Sana matapos agad. It's already 3 o'clock. Pero, pwede ka naman tumambay dito. May Uncle Mo's kung nagutom ka. Yan, solid na shawarma place yan. Uncle Mo's. So, dyan sa Japan na Pajero. Matindi yung ginagawa. So, rewiring from Japan to local. Okay. So, almost 1 hour of waiting. Ganun talaga, guys. First come, first serve. It's 3:50 in the afternoon. So, tayo na. lipat ko lang yung parking. Dahil bawal dito, syempre. Doon tayo kung saan mas pwede. Busy yung shop. At holiday, no? So, ayun. Baka simpleng trabaho, baka fuse nga lang yan eh. Ayan na, the master at work. Okay ka muna. Boss Ronald in the house. Simpleng trabaho lang naman. Hindi ko talaga kaya na walang radyo. Pasensya na. So, syempre, the only limitation, parking space. Dahil maliit lang yung shop. So, sakali. So, ganyan style. Nandun yung shop. So, dito gagawin. Buti wala masyadong araw. Eh, para-paraan lang. Mabilis lang naman to. The radio is out. Malinis naman yung wiring. Ayan. May power. Naku, putang ina. Baka head unit. May power naman. Subukan mo yun. So, may power naman daw. Kung i-check yung ground. Yan. So, tira natin kung anong problema. Ba't biglang nawala? May fuse pala siya dito. Isa yun. Montar. Ano yung fuse lang yun?
Yun lang ginawa ko, yung fuse nilinis. Tapos,
ayun, nata mo. Pindutin mo yung antena. Dapat diba tumataas yun? Wala. Tumutunog pero hindi tumataas.
ay yung antenna mast.
Ha?
Antenna mast. Yung may gear.
Hindi ko alam. Pero tumutunog siya.
Opo, yung
Oo.
motor.
Motor?
Obvious na, paring putol na yung mga gear sa loob.
Kaya mo silipin? May motor ba kayo dyan? May antena kayo dyan?
Ano naman kami dyan, antenna mast.
Yun naman pala eh. Sige. Anyway. Ayan. So, ano nangyari dyan?
Yun lang yung fuse.
Yung fuse, nilinis mo lang naman, ano? Labo. Ayun, may radyo na. So, yung sa antena, malamang, alam niya na yun. Motor mismo, gear, kaya hindi umaangat. Pero maraming babaklasin kasi nasa loob ng fender. Sa loob ng fender eh, no?
Yes, sir.
Meron naman silang stock doon, pero time is of the essence. Nasa 4 o'clock na kasi, hanggang 5 lang sila. Tapos iniwan lang niya isang client. Ito, okay, meron siyang baterya, papalitan lang namin to. Tapos ito pala, biglang nag-leak daw, sabi niya. So, ibabalik namin ng Sabado.
Apo, bali, ano kayo, boss?
I-recharge niya yung fluid, tapos yung antena sa Sabado. So, isang balik pa ako. Pero at least may radyo na ako. Yun ang napaka-importante para magamit kayong auto. Hindi ko ginagamit yung auto dahil dyan. No? Ayan, so may radyo na. So, magagamit ko na siya. Kaya hindi ko ginagamit dahil biglang nawala yung radyo. So, hindi ko talaga kayang walang radyo. Ayan. So, at least nagawa natin yung radyo, successful. Ito na lang, dahil nagre-reklamo na, low bat na raw, sinasabi ng kotse. Pero naman sila. Ayan, pag malayo, ganda ng dalawang Pajero. Yung isa, Fieldmaster 2.5 with the flower mugs. And yung sa atin, naka-rally art. Ang gwapo ng rally art talaga. Ganda nung ginawa ni JBV sa mugs natin. And loving the color. It's powder coat, silver. So, Kali series. Tapos may fuse lang kami pinalitan dahil may naka-jump dyan. Okay na? Ayos na. Thank you.
Umiilaw naman po yan, boss, pag pindutin.
Ayos na to. Ngayon lang napalitan. After brand new, 2015. Tagal din ng buhay. Para saan ba yung fuse na yan?
Ito po.
Saan dyan? Sado mo? Wala ka nakasulat kaya hindi ko maano.
Kasi ito sa ano to eh. Span.
Kasi ginamp dati. So, talagyan na lang ng bago. Yun na, tapos balik na lang ako Sabado ha. Antena natin. Andito kasi antena yan, sa loob. So, sa loob ko kunin, matrabaho, 1 hour. Sa Sabado na lang. Alright, so just like that. Lahat-lahat 200. Pero syempre, binigyan natin ng extra si Ron. Actually, siningit lang yung radyo. May ginagawa siya kanina doon. Matagal kasi na trabaho. So, ayun. May radyo na. Alright, let's go. Radyo check. Boom! Nawala ka. Alam mo minsan guys, no? Yung mga ganyang bagay na malilit, ganyang nakakainis. So, ginagamit ko siya 1 week straight. Tapos ever since na nasira yung radyo bigla, nasa office ako noon eh. So yung umaga, umaandar, yung when I left the office, office yung gabi. Biglang di na umandar. Yun, di ko na siya ginamit. After nun, nabuisit na ako sa kanya. So, this car sat for like 3 days, 4 days just because of the radio. Ganun ako kaselan sa radyo. Talagang gusto ko may radyo. Thank you, GRGA, Boss Ron. Thank you so much again. So, let's head back home. Well, actually, let's finish the vlog since it's a very simple electrical job for today's video. So, nothing fancy. So, if ever you have any electrical issues with your car, head over to GRGA and maybe they can help you out. So, right now, I'm enjoying the sounds. My radios were already working. I can use her again sa office, no? So, I am headed way home. There's some errands lang na gagawin ko. Thanks for watching. Again, to those subscribes, thank you so much. I really appreciate your support. Sa mga laging nagko-comment, thank you so much. Again, please do leave your comments. Anything you want to say to me, comment nyo na maayos. Anything, your thoughts, let me know. Engage with me para alam ko kung what videos to make. And thank you so much. Please help me out, no? Again, if you're not subscribed, subscribe ka na. It's free. Hit the subscribe button. Again, we are trying to go for that 5,000 mark this year. Happy holiday!
2 different levels, I cannot relate.